actually dividing a number. Only by seeing a number you can check whether it is divisible or not. So let's see. Divisibility by 2. If any number has a unit digit like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then we can say that it is divisible by 2. Okay, so let's say an example like 2, 5, 4, 8. Okay, because unit digit is 8, this is divisible by 2. Let's take another example, 2, 2, 1, 4. Unit digit is 4, that's why it is divisible by 2. If I say that 1, 4, 5, is it divisible? No, because unit digit is 5. That's why the 145 is not divisible. Let's see divisibility by 3. Let's check if it is divisible by 3 or not. If sum of its digits is divisible by 3, then and then this whole number is divisible by 3. Say for example, let's say 63 is divisible by 3 or not. So just add the digits, that is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and we know that 9 is divisible by 3. That's why this number is divisible by 9, 3. Let's take another 5, 4, 2, 1. If we add the digits 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, then sum is equal to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. That's why this whole number is divisible by 3. Let's take another example, 1, 2, 3, 1. Is it divisible by 3? Okay, let's add the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 7, and 7 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, let's see another. If number is divisible by 9 or not, how you will check? If sum of its digits is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9. Okay, let's see example, 2, 4, 6, 5, 9, 1. Okay, you can not directly say whether it is divisible by 9 or not, but if just you add the numbers 2 plus 4, okay, that is 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1, okay, is equal to 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. Okay, okay, we know that it is divisible. That's why this whole number is divisible by 9. Okay, if number is divisible by 4 or not, if its last two digits are divisible by 4, then it is divisible. Say for example, number is 6, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2. Now last two digits are 12. 12 is divisible by 4. That's why this whole number is divisible by 4. Let's take another example. 2, 1, 4, 5, 1, 6. Yes, 1, 6 is divisible. That's why this number is divisible by 4. Okay, let's see if number is divisible by 8 or not. For that purpose, you just have to see the last three digits. Let's say example 4, 7, 0, 6, 4. Okay, last three digits are 0, 6, 4. Yes, you can divide 0, 6, 4 by 8. That's why this whole number is divisible by 8. Now let's check whether it is divisible by 10 or not. It is very easy. Just see unit digit is 0. If it is 0, then and then you can divide. Otherwise, it is not divisible. Okay, let's see 147. It is not divisible because unit digit is not 0. Let's take another divisibility test, whether we can divide 5 by 5 or not. If unit digit is 0 or 5, then and then we can divide the whole number by 5. Say for example 1425, unit digit is 5, that's why we can divide the whole number with 5. Okay, let's take another 775. because unit digit is 5, we can divide the whole number. Okay, very easy. Let's take divisibility by 11. Okay, this is somewhat tricky, but we will take it. If difference between the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or a number which is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. Okay, how? Let's take an example. I should take a long example. So let's take 2, 9, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1, 7. Okay. Now you have to identify odd places and even places. So let's first take all the odd places. So I am writing, like, let's start with the unit digit. This is zeroth place. Okay. So 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9. So 1, 4, 3 and 9. Okay, so this is equal to 23. Now let's take another at even places. This 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1, it is equal to plus 6, that is 12. So take the difference, 23 minus 12, it is equal to 11. That's why this whole number is divisible by 11. Okay.